Instant cameras have surged back into mainstream photography by marrying immediate tangible prints with approachable, about-the-moment shooting. They're popular for event capture, scrapbooking, and gifting, and today's models combine auto exposure, built-in flashes, and digital-to-analog integrations that bridge old-school charm with modern convenience.
Product number 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera, Blossom Pink. The Mini 12 Blossom Pink is a compact, playful camera designed for quick, carefree instant photos with a focus on ease of use. It retains the familiar Instax Mini form factor and adds automatic exposure, built-in flash control, and a selfie-friendly design featuring a front-facing mirror and a simple twist-on-off lens mechanism. The package is lightweight, about 1 pound, and includes 2 AA batteries, a hand strap, and a 1-year warranty, making it a straightforward entry point for beginners and casual users. Performance-wise, it prints 2 inches by 3 inches Instax Mini photos in roughly 5 seconds, with an additional development time around 90 seconds, which is typical for this format. Product number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo Instant Camera. The Mini Evo is Fujifilm's hybrid Instax model, combining digital controls with physical instant prints. It offers 10 lens options and 10 film effect options, yielding 100 distinct expression possibilities. It also supports saving printed images to a smartphone via the Instax Mini Evo app and Bluetooth, and even saves images to a micro SD card, enabling a hybrid workflow for those who want digital backups or social sharing without sacrificing the tactile print experience. In practice, the Evo excels for users who crave experimentation and personalization. The main strengths are the extensive film effects, flexible framing via dual shutter buttons, portrait and landscape. Product number 3. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera Lilac Purple plus Fujifilm Value Pack 40 sheets plus Shutter Accessories Bundle. This bundle centers on the Lilac Purple Mini 12 camera paired with a substantial 40 exposure film pack. The Mini 12 maintains the standard features auto exposure, built-in flash, selfie mirror, close-up mode, in a brighter colorway, plus the bundled film makes this an attractive starter kit or gift set. The value pack includes 2 20-shot twin packs, increasing the initial printing potential right out of the box. From a performance standpoint, the Mini 12 bundle emphasizes convenience and cost per shot efficiency by providing more film up front. The camera's performance remains consistent with other Mini 12 variants. Quick 5-second print times, 2-inch by 3-inch prints. Product number 4. Fujifilm Instax Mini 41 Instant Camera Vintage Black plus Fujifilm Value Pack 40 sheets plus Shutter Accessories Bundle. The Mini 41 Vintage Black Bundle combines a retro-styled Mini 41 camera with a 40-sheet film pack and a shutter accessories case. It emphasizes fashion-forward design paired with the same core Mini features: auto exposure, built-in flash, and a selfie assist. The included shutter case and 64 photo album add a premium feel and practical storage for memories. On the performance side, the Mini 41 offers dependable exposure control across varied lighting, with consistent color and contrast in typical room lighting or outdoor shade. The built-in selfie mirror and close-up mode remain strong for quick portraits and close-range shots. Product number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera Lilac Purple. The Lilac Purple Mini 12 is a closet-sized, color-forward variant of the Mini 12 line. It shares the same core features: auto exposure, built-in flash, selfie mirror, and parallax-corrected close-up mode,
with a distinct purple hue intended to appeal to style-conscious buyers. It's essentially the same performance as the Blossom Pink variant, but with a different visual identity. In use, Lilac Purple offers the same reliable output, 2-inch by 3-inch prints, approximately 5 seconds print time and development time of approximately 90 seconds, and straightforward operation via twist-on-off lens. The color option can influence perceived value and personal preference, but there are no additional digital capabilities or expanded props beyond the standard Mini 12 feature set.